Ethan. You see the airplane?
Experiment of landing a modified Curtiss Butcher aboard a ship was done under the guidance of Navy Captain Washington Irving Chambers and the aircraft designer Glenn Curtiss. The USS Pennsylvania and its skipper Captain Frog Pond.
Hello. They're upside down. Where are we, Hunter?
In an airplane.
Airplane? Here's your brother.
Hello.
Ethan. Ethan.
What?
Aww. What are you doing, Ethan? Who are you hugging? Are we in an airplane? Taking pictures? Oh, so.
Look at your mother and say,
Some.
cheddar cheese.
Cheddar cheese.
Ah.
You're going to go up for the pilot? Fly the plane.
All my planes are Air Force and they're retired. One of my planes had 27,000 hours.
Go, Ethan. Go, Ethan.
That was we had one that was it was certainly up there.
Uh-oh.
19, 20,000. These planes are fairly young, 3,000 hours.
Yeah, you're coming through the plane, you know it's brand new.
Hi,
Relatively brand new. You know, because all your insulation's
Yeah, it's
nice,
still
it's
there.
not
Nobody's
dirty.
lost any.
Yeah,
What are you thinking?
kinda got a
Go sit up there?
fresh smell to it.
Go sit up
Yeah,
there and
yeah,
fly the
yeah.
plane.
Yeah. That's wild seeing the glass cockpit. Everything that the engineer takes care of is all different. You know?
Yeah, it's
Because the whole airplane's been modernized.
Ethan, go sit up there
there is
so I can take a
no plane
picture.
here. There's-
Hold on, Ainsley. Good. Put it down.
All right, one.